Ministry of Foreign Affairs and Cooperation of Timor-Leste has officially opened a workshop focusing on the international investment and trade within ASEAN. The workshop aims to strengthen understanding and cooperation in attracting international investment, particularly among ASEAN member countries, as part of Timor-Leste's ongoing efforts to boost economic development and regional integration.
Objective of this workshop is to facilitate the accession of Timor-Leste into ASEAN, which was done on the 26th of October in Malaysia in 2025. And this will help Timor-Leste to accelerate the accession and the implementation of ASEAN documents, especially relating to trade, such as the ASEAN Trade in Goods Agreement, ASEAN Trade in Services Agreement, and ASEAN Comprehensive Investment Agreement. We are also going to discuss about the ASEAN Vision 2045 and ASEAN Economic Community Strategic Plan 2026-2030.
Now, the event brings together the Ministry of Foreign Affairs and Cooperation, represented by the Director General for ASEAN Affairs, the Embassy of Malaysia with its prestigious guest speakers from National University of Malaysia, Embassy of Japan, JICA Trade Invest, stakeholders and partners to discuss opportunities and strategies for enhancing investment frameworks in the country.